So guys, this is our finished product of Ice V60. This is what we call V60. And this is ready to serve in our customer. This is the glass of our Ice V60. And then we put into the glass like this. So this is V60 guys, Ice V60. This is Ice V60. The procedure is 135 grams of ice cube, and then 135 grams of cold hot water. Just normal coffee V60. That's notice. This one is favorite for our customer. Notice 135 grams of hot water. This is the procedure, and then the grind size is grind number 8 of our machine. So that's it guys, our procedure, our Ice V60. Hi vlog, welcome back to my channel. For today's videos, we will proceed to ice coffee again, which this is another procedure. This ice coffee is what we call the Ice V60 coffee. So guys, we already discussed before hot V60 coffee. So this time we will discuss this Ice V60 coffee. This V60 coffee is another procedure, different procedure to any ice flavor. What to do next is we will proceed an actual procedure now. So let's go guys, we will proceed to an actual procedure of Ice V60. So guys, this is our procedure of Ice V60. First, we need this boiling dispenser water. We need to open our boiling water. We need to make it 90 or 95 degrees Celsius for the proper procedure of our boiling of water. We need this one guys, machine. We need this machine for our grinding. So in Ice V60 guys, we need also this wing scale. Open our wing scale. We need also this one. And then we need to mix 18 grams of coffee for V60 procedure. This is for V60 coffee procedure. So we need to make it 18 grams of 18 or 20 grams of V60 coffee beans. So we need to make it 18. First, we zero our wing scale guys, so that we can make it 18 grams. Grams of 360. So this is 18 grams of our coffee tea. This is 18.2 grams, so it's okay this one. Next guys, we need to put this one in our grinding machine. This one here, we need to put here. Then the grind size of our Ice V60 is grind number 8. See this one, we reduce the grinding size, we put here in the number 8 size. So that is the procedure of ice cold V60. This is number 8 grind size. Open our grinding machine. So guys, we already finished our grinding here. We already finished our grinding. Next guys is we already finished here 95 degrees Celsius. We already boiled our water. So next is we take this glass for V60, Ice V60. This is the glass, guys, for our Ice V60. As you can see, this different any other ice coffee. So guys, this is the paper of V60, Ice V60. Also hot and ice the same paper. We put here for our V60 glass like this. Then make it with this one so that we can put this grinding, this already grind coffee. So ito yun, guys, yung ano natin, yung paper. First babasahin muna natin sa side by side para dumikit siya here, para magiging tight yung dikit niya. Basahin muna natin siya, tapos yung tubig na ginahay tapon muna natin. Next, guys, is we take this coffee, this V60 coffee. We already finished grinding this coffee, so we need to put here in the glass. So what next is we need to take ice, 135 grams of ice. 135 grams of ice, guys, we put here in a glass. Should be 135 grams. 135 grams of ice. So next, we need to put this one here in the topper, and then so the ice is already here inside, then the coffee in the upper. So we need to make it 3-0 first, our weighing scale, then our water. First drop, guys, is first drop of our Ice V60 coffee is 40. So we need to make it 40. First drops 40 grams. So then we open our weighing scale, make it and timer on, guys, so we can calculate our how many seconds, how many minutes this one finish. Next, we put some 100 water. So that's it, guys, 100 grams of water, and the last one is 35 grams, and the last one is 35 grams of water dropping. That's it, guys. We put one more, last one is 35 grams. So guys, 35 grams yung put natin. That's it, guys, 135 grams of water. This is the procedure of Ice V60 coffee. Ice V60 coffee is 135 grams of ice cube and 135 grams of water, and that's it, our finished product. So we need to transfer this one into our glass final product. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Our vlog for today is Ice V60. So this is the procedure of our Ice V60. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much.